Hi everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme, and in this video I'll show you how you can embed a Google Street View tour on your website using WPVR. So let's get started. So first let me create a new tour by clicking on add new tour, and once I click on it, it will take me to this page where I can start creating a new tour. So let me just name it GS tour. Now on the left side you'll see you have several options. Over there at the bottom you'll see it says Street View. Click on Street View and you will see these options. Enable Street View. If you turn it on, you'll see all the other options are gone. Now here all you need is the source of the Street View you want to use. Now I have opened a Street View of Disneyland. This is the Castle Holiday Shop within Disneyland, and let's say I want to embed this on my website. So what I'll do is I'm just going to click the three dots here and click on share or embed image, and then go to embed map, and here I'll just copy HTML. So once I click on this copy HTML, I've copied this iframe tag, but I will not need the iframe tag. Alright, first let me get back to the plugin. Now open a notepad where you can paste the iframe tag, and here just copy the source. You can see it starts from here, it ends here. Alright, so just copy the source from within this tag, and then on the plugin in the add source you just have to paste that. Alright, I've pasted that source. Now if I click on preview, you will see that the tour is on the preview. Alright, so now all you need to do is publish it and embed it on your website. So let me just quickly publish it. And once this is published, it's time to embed this on a website. So here's a new page I opened. Let me use the WPVR block, and here I'll choose the tour that I just created called GS tour, and then I'll click on preview. And as you can see now that Google Street View tour is on my website. So that's it. That's how you can easily embed a Google Street View tour on your website using WPVR. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of my future tutorial videos. Take care.